Folks, again, we're going to repeat and say it again and again because it's very important when you purchase a travel trailers in the state of California. All dealers, majority of the dealers, they charge these units when they built and they send them to the dealer. They're not ready. They're ready to sell, but they have to go through a full inspection by the dealers to make sure everything is work and functions, and to make sure everything's safe and up notch. As you see, all these units we just got sold this weekend, and here's I'm showing you at Best RV what we're doing, so you can see a technicians working on each unit. These are units that got sold. We really thanks those customers who bought from us. But this is what we're showing you. We're doing a full inspections. We fill the propane tanks. We install the deep cycle battery. We make sure everything is work and functions. We test every single item. You know, when you sell a trailer, it's not just here's the key and you sign, thank you, and we don't see you again. No, actually, when you purchase a trailer, this fifth wheel, for example, or that unit, it takes almost a day to between, you know, checking everything, installing the propane, doing propane check, electric check, plumbing check, water check. We make sure every single item on this unit working, inside, outside, function. When you come do the walkthrough, the unit at Best RV inspected twice. It's inspected when we sold it to the customer, and we do a second inspection with the customer with a nice clipboard, and we're checking everything item. Well, all this service, it takes time and money. But at Best RV here, we don't charge fees. So when he's working on this unit to make it ready for you, when that technician, he show you everything on this trailer, we spend minimum 2 to 3 hours to show you the trailers, how it's to work it, how you open the slide, how you do the auto leveling, how you plug it in, how you turn the hot water here. All that service, we do not charge fees. It's a common in this business. God bless the other dealers. They charge fees, but here we choose not to charge any bogus fees. Dealer prep is free, walkthrough is free, orientation is free, no destination charge. What you see the price is that's what you get. Only thing you add to the price is your sales tax and license doc and whatever accessories. Like some people, they buy fifth wheel hitches, some people buy special battery, some people buy slide toppers, whatever. That's only we added. We don't add anything else, just sale price, tax, license, and whatever accessories you choose to buy. Nothing here. So when we do all these inspections, all this done at this dealership at Best RV in Turlock, California, at no cost to you, free. So when you come, you get it. Everything is hot as hot, cold as cold. Everything's working, function, no surprises, and you have a technician, not a salesman doing the walkthrough. We have a certified technician by the manufacturers and by the suppliers. They know what they're doing, and they will show you everything at Best RV when you purchase a unit from us at no cost to you. So when you take this trailer, don't take it home. Go camping. Go straight to the campground and start using the unit. Come to Best RV, give us a chance, and we'll prove it for you.